You should be honored that you're the first people getting to see my first unboxing of 2024. Now it is currently January 5th at 12:58 p.m. and I have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes. I opened some other ones, so I think we're only gonna do like 9 or 10, but I'm really excited. We have some goodies here. We have Makeup Revolution, we have Catrice Cosmetics, we have Kokie Cosmetics, Pixi Beauty, and more. So if you wanna join me in the first unboxing of this year, stick around. So while I have some like actual new PR boxes to unbox, I also have some older stuff from the end of last year that I just haven't opened. So it's as new to me as it may be for you. Let's start the year off right with Pixi Beauty. Also, this eyeshadow look is fire. And this purple lipstick, stop anyway. Ooh, so we have the Pixi Glow Party. Ooh, I love this. So we have a Lash Line Ink Liquid Fairy Lights. These are 3D glimmers that can be used alone or added on top to complete any enchanting eye look. That is stunning. That is like liquid diamonds. Then we have a Vita C Glowy Powder and the Tint Fix Satin Lip Tint. Ooh, I love these. Definitely excited. I love Pixi Beauty. Next up, we have a box from Josie Maran. It says, "Hi, Beauty. We are so excited to share this nourishing properties." Is that what it says? The nourishing properties of 100% pure argan oil with you. I don't know. It's in cursive and it's like messy and I can't read it. They sent over more than a few goodies. Ooh, I love the color. So this is the Josie Maran Pineapple Enzyme Pore Clearing Cleanser. It's a foaming face wash. Okay, don't love the fragrance, but like, this is exciting just because it's yellow. Honestly, I can't wait to put this all over my face. I love their packaging. This is the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. Ultra hydrating. Okay, that doesn't really have a smell. It just gives that like unfragranced fragrance, you know? You know the one. Let's see what it feels like. Just feels nice. I almost thought about putting it on my face for a second and then I caught myself and was like, Cody, you look beautiful right now. Don't mess it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have the same product, but this is for the body. I barely can show you this. I don't know if you can see it because the lights are literally, it's white. So the lights are like making it like to where you can't see it, but this is their Argan Milk. This is an intensive hydrating treatment. Cute. Next we have a 100% pure argan oil organic moisturizing oil. I'm not a huge fan of oils, but I would give this a try. If you don't really love them either, you could try mixing a little bit of it into your moisturizer and apply it that way if it's like a texture consistency thing, which is what it is for me. And lastly, we have the Get Even Sun Milk. This has broad spectrum SPF 33. It's kind of a weird number. It's a mineral sunscreen with sheer argan hydration and a kakadu superfruit blend. We'll just pretend that's how it's pronounced. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Josie Maran. I have never tried their brand before, but I'm definitely excited to give these bad boys a try. The packaging alone kind of sold me. Next up, we have a package from Catrice Cosmetics. Y'all know I love me some Catrice. I haven't even seen what's inside this yet. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, there's more. Oh, wow. So these are the Marblicious Liquid Lip Balms. So all of these ones at the top retail for $6. We have the Lip Lovin' Caring Lip Serum. This is $8. And the Gloss and Glow Tinted Lip Oils, which are $6 down, so you can see them, $6 here at the bottom. These are so cute. I will definitely do a wear test with these because these are so beautiful and I can't wait to see what they actually look like on my lips. Thank you, Catrice. Fun fact, I reached out to them when I moved to Texas a couple months ago, as in like November, and was like, hey, just wanted to update my PR address. Thank you guys so much for the continued support, really appreciate it. And they're like, we don't send PR packages. And I was like, you've sent me packages for like 2 years.
'Tis confusion.
And they're like, oh, we thought you were asking for PR, not updating your address. I was like, I said I was updating my address, but also it was just kind of funny to me because I'm like, that's like brands in a nutshell. We don't give PR. Yeah, you do. Just tell people you don't want to give them anything, you know? But again, in this situation, I was like, no, I'm just updating my address. Like, oh yeah, we remember you. But that's okay. Next is a package from Kokie Cosmetics. If you have seen any of my recent content, my shorts specifically, I really am loving Kokie Cosmetics. I love their brow pencils. I actually like their hydrating face primer and their Mystics matte setting spray. Oh, so good. So I'm excited to see what's in here. So their note says, see yourself clearly in 2024. We hope you love our LED mirror. Thanks for all your Kokie support this year. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my gosh.
Yes! 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 Yes!
I haven't opened any of these packages, so they're all like genuine reactions. Oh my God, that's so cute. I'm so excited for this because right now I have this boring one right here. And like, oh, it's covered in setting spray. Judge me. I love it. I mean, it gets the job done, but this is so cute. Free rotate, why am I not just reading it on the box? Wireless free rotation, easy one button control, bright light, 60 dimmable bulbs, 5 times magnification USB recharge. This is gonna be so nice. Handheld and standing use. Thank you, that's freaking amazing. I just love when people are thoughtful. Thank you. And side note, I really appreciate when brands like Kokie Cosmetics say, you know, things like, thank you so much for your support, we appreciate everything you do for us, blah, 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 things like that. Like, it's very nice and I fully, wholeheartedly appreciate the sentiment, but I'm like, thank you for what you do for me. You know what I mean? There's trillions of creators out there, and obviously there's other creators that they send PR to and brands send PR to, not just me, duh, I'm not full of myself like that. I'm just saying, like, these brands don't have to send me anything, you know what I mean? It's like, it was very difficult to make fresh content when I first started my creator journey because guess what? You have to buy everything, you know what I mean? And products are expensive. So now, you know, there are certain things that I will still buy, obviously, but like, the majority of the products that I'm using or create content around are products that are gifted to me and sent in PR, which of course I always disclose that, but it's like, you know, they thank me for supporting them and making content to support their brand and their products, but I'm like, thank you for supporting me as a creator and my journey and my income and my life and my family and my future. Like, free product, PR, literally makes my job 1,000% easier. Like, it makes it so much easier and saves me so much money. So that's just my little grateful rant. So I genuinely appreciate every single brand that sends me a product. It just makes the biggest difference. I also wish that large creators seemed a bit more grateful for their products. I think they're just so used to getting so much just like dumped on them, but like, I appreciate every single thing I get no matter what. Okay, let's get back to unboxing. So this next box is from Makeup Revolution. I have a lot of Makeup Revolution sitting over here. I'm a little behind. So this is their collection, Grease collection. I don't know anything about Grease, not gonna lie. I mean, I know what it is, I've just never seen it. So I don't think I would appreciate this collection like some would, but there's a lot of stuff in here. It's cute, and there's some like brushes. So this will definitely be in those boxes that probably will go in my giveaway bin. So we have some makeup brushes here. Like, the aesthetic of it is cute. It's all cute. We have some, what in the world? Oh, okay. I just wanted to smell it. I was like, what is this contraption? They were just open inside of each other. I'm actually gonna throw these away, but they're really cute. They're very creamy looking. Okay. Not so fun fact, I actually have a lot of problems with Lottie London and Makeup Revolution packages. Stuff just always shows up damaged, but like, again, it is what it is, it happens. So we have the T-Birds Rock and Roll T-Birds palette, look like this. I'm not gonna open up the majority of this because I wanna give it away. Some pink sponges, another palette, mascara, eyeliner, and lip gloss trio. And we have 3 lipsticks. We have shade Sandy, Rizzo, and Frenchie. Here are the colors. And then we have a giant grease palette. Okay, I am gonna open this up very carefully because I do wanna see what it looks like inside. Oh, that's cute. This is giving me like Nickelodeon Good Burger vibes, you know? It's very lightweight. Next up, we have a package from Lottie London. I actually have 2 of them. And do you know what's funny? Again, I'm not saying this in an ungrateful way, but I always know what's gonna be inside the Lottie London packages because it's always the same products. Like, once in a while they add something new, but we have the Cheeky Glow highlighters, which one of them. I'm actually excited because my pink one, hopefully the other box has a pink one because, I don't know, it like dried out. I only got to use it like twice. I barely got through a little bit of it today, but it just dried out and it literally wouldn't come out anymore, so I was kind of bummed about that. We have the Super Fake False Effect Mascara. I have 83 of these right now. We have the Glossed Supercharged Gloss Oil Tint. Beautiful pure white highlighter. It is so hard to show off bright colored packaging or products with all these studio lights. And we got this little eyeshadow palette. I'm not taking all this bubble wrap off. I'm just gonna leave it in there because whatever. Leo, what did I tell you about stealing my memory card? Yeah, you. Cats. All right, so the other Lottie London package has, again, the same eyeshadow palette and highlighter as the one that I just showed you. Same mascara. You know, the perk of these boxes is, like I said, they just go into my giveaway bin and it's just more free stuff for you guys. So we have a hot cocoa and marshmallow lip oil and a metallic eyeshadow topper. Cute. And some little rhinestones, which I will keep these because I'm starting a new series and I'll tell you more. Actually, I'll just show you that when it comes out. Hi, Leo. Okay, we have 2 more Makeup Revolution boxes and then we are all done. Let's start off with the smaller ones. Get that glass skin glow. Ooh. We have some of their Beam Bright Silk highlighters. Cute. Here are the other 2 shades. I am confused on how the motto of this box is get that glass skin glow and it's just a highlighter. I don't know, I thought it was like skincare or serums or whatnot, but okay. Okay, so the larger Makeup Revolution box has a few other products. We have the Festive Allure highlighter. Ooh, that is so cool looking. Oh, wow. Face and Body Glow. This is, oh, that's so exciting. I need to go to a beach ASAP. Why I just held that way, I don't know. 2 liquid eyeliners. The white one is Hollow White and this one is Champagne Rose Gold. And lastly, we have 2 of their Lip Swirl lip glosses. I've tried these in the past. I got these actually when I was in Canada and I loved them. And actually I lied, that's not the last product. We also have the Festive Allure eyeshadow palette. I'm not opening this one, sorry, because I'm giving it away and it's very like tightly taped. Oh my gosh, I actually forgot I have 1 more box on the floor and it's huge, hold on. Okay, y'all know that First Aid Beauty is one of my top favorite skincare brands. And look at this. This is what we call a restock. And coincidentally enough, I literally just used up the last little bits of several of my First Aid Beauty products. So I'm so stoked to have these refreshed. But not only that, they also sent me a bunch of other products that I have not used yet. And I've used almost every single First Aid Beauty product. So I'm actually gonna do a dedicated video on this box. So if you wanna see every single product in here and how much all of these skincare products cost combined, because they can get pricey, let me know. Well, I mean, you can let me know. I'm gonna do it anyway, but be on the lookout for it, I should say. Oh, I also just found some One Size Beauty in here. I don't know how I got in there. Secure the Blur, another powder, and a Turn Up the Base concealer. I must have tossed them in this box when I was bringing it upstairs. Now, I don't know about you, but I feel like this is a pretty nice assortment of products to get my 2024 going. As always, let me know in the comments what products are you excited to see me try? What have you used? What would you like to use? If you have any thoughts and opinions at all, drop them in the comments. One of my biggest goals for 2024 is to finally get that YouTube play button, my very first one. I am a little over halfway to the 100,000 subscriber mark. I feel it in my body. I feel it in my bones. I will make it happen this year. And if you're new here, I have literally like 1,700 videos total on my channel, including like 500 long form videos. So please go check them out. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my first unboxing of 2024. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and I'll see you in the next one.